All right, we're going to send things over to our first alert meteorologist, Brittany Rainey. The National Weather Service is going to take a close look at the storm damage from overnight. So, Brittany, what have you just learned?
That they're going to head out to that survey team in Irving. And as the damage reports continue to come in today, we might see them going to more and more locations to try and determine whether or not it was straight line winds or if a quick spin up tornado did touch down in certain places. So that is up to the National Weather Service, where they want to go out and delve a bit deeper into the damage that we have seen from the overnight storms. So it was a first alert weather morning because of the severe storms. It's a first alert weather day due to the strong winds that are going to be gusting up to 50 miles an hour throughout our Tuesday. So we do have that wind advisory in place for all of North Texas until 9 o'clock this evening. Our winds will be sustained 20 to 30 miles an hour. It's not out of the question that we could even get some of those gusts closer to 60 miles an hour. These are not associated with thunderstorms. This is just the backside of that same system that brought the cold front through our area earlier this morning. You can already see those gusts up to 49 to 48 miles an hour in Mineral Wells and Breckenridge. We're starting to see those winds picking up around Denton down towards Cleburne, gusting to 36 miles an hour. And these are just going to continue to strengthen as we head into the afternoon hours. So here's a look at 4 o'clock. Notice those gusts around 45 to 50 miles an hour right along the I-35 corridor, maybe even 55 to 60 mile an hour gusts out towards Graham and Breckenridge. And as that system is still tracking off to the east this evening, our winds will stay very gusty, even up to 40 miles an hour by 10 o'clock this evening. We did get rain this morning, but we didn't get high rainfall amounts out to the west. And we're drying out very quickly with drier air moving in and those strong winds. And those two things combined, that lowers that humidity and increases our fire threat. We're even going to see some blowing dust as well with these strong winds. So don't be surprised if you see some dust on your cars as we head into the afternoon hours. But here's a look at First Alert satellite and radar. And there are the storms that moved through this morning. We're in this little bit of a break, but we still have the backside of this system that has to move through the area. So that's going to increase our cloud cover this afternoon, maybe even an isolated shower possible as well. Most likely that's going to stay just to our north in Oklahoma, but because of the tight pressure gradient with this, we are really looking at those winds picking up. And then clear skies tonight. We'll have some cooler air in place as we start off your Wednesday. But enjoy the beautiful blue skies we have at Clyde Warren Park right now. We're sitting at 62 degrees. We even have some upper 50s out towards Terrell and Greenville. But where that sunshine has returned, temperatures are warming up, and they will continue to do so right into the upper 60s around 2 to 3 o'clock. And then this evening, we'll still have those very gusty winds. We're down to 63 by 5 o'clock. So highs today, a little bit earlier in the day, around 68 degrees for DFW. And then tonight, we're getting back down into the 40s. But that first alert 7-day forecast, and definitely looking like spring. Tomorrow a bit cooler. Highs will top out in the lower 60s. We have a quick warm up into Friday, back to near 80 degrees ahead of our next front. That arrives on Saturday, so more clouds around. Some showers are also possible. Will be a cooler day with highs only in the upper 50s, and it's spring forward. It's that time of year when we lose an hour of sleep. That happens Saturday night into Sunday, and we have sunshine to start off next week, Karen.